Before you order you want get ANBERNIC RG40XX, you seriously need to see this. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this you want get ANBERNIC RG40XX changes everything. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the build quality is premium, I was completely sold. It is a complete game changer because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it solves an annoying problem. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Before you order you want get ANBERNIC RG40XX, you seriously need to see this. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this you want get ANBERNIC RG40XX.